Hey everyone, welcome back for another episode of Yoga Anywhere. I'm so glad that you decided to join me today in my beautiful Airbnb in Oaxaca, Mexico. So today's practice is going to be using NAVASANA or boat pose. And we're going to be doing a couple different variations that are going to get your core working. And having a strong core is really important for life. It helps us stand properly, it helps us be able to bend properly, it helps us be able to run and do all the other things we like. But it's also really, really good to have a strong core for your yoga practice. It supports you in so many different poses, and having that strong core is really going to allow you to get into some of the more advanced poses. So let's get started. Basically, Navasana looks like a boat, I guess. That's why it's called Navasana. So we're going to be on our sit bones, nice long spine, shoulders are down and back, and then all we're going to do is bring our legs up. And so you have a couple different variations here. You can keep your legs at a 90-degree angle, or you can extend them straight and reach your arms. So let's just keep them bent at 90 degrees just for now. Nice long spine. Take a couple of deep breaths, engaging the belly here. So it's really easy to use the hip flexors, use those legs because they're a bigger, stronger muscle. But we want to use that core. So draw your belly button in towards your rib cage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really good. Okay, so from here, we're going to take an inhale breath, and on an exhale, we're going to come down. Inhale up, exhale down, up, down, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really good. Hold on to the backs of your legs if you need just a little break here. Really extend your back nice and long. And from here, we're going to do bicycles. So we're going to bring our hands behind our neck, lean back a little bit into it, and then left elbow to right knee. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really good. Sit up nice and straight, come into a Supta Baddha Konasana and fold forward. Just releasing out of that before we move into the next couple of exercises. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, come back up. All right, we're going to move into a couple more rounds of Navasana exercises. So coming back into that Navasana pose, extend your arms long for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands to prayer pose. Left elbow to right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Really good. Coming back into that Navasana for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend your legs long. Inhale, arms up towards the ceiling, and exhale, fold forward. Really good. Whew. Nice deep inhale in through your nose, and exhale through your mouth. All right, coming back up, bending through your knees. Coming down onto your elbows here. And then reaching your legs into Navasana. Holding for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really good. So from here we're going to do kind of like little scissors. So we're going to open and then close. Open, close as we go down. And just seeing how far you can go. I can only go about here right now. And then coming back up. So just doing that for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Releasing down, coming down onto your back and giving your knees a squeeze here. Really good. All right, now we're just going to stretch out our front side of our body really quickly. So rocking on to your belly. Arms are long in front of you like the number 11. And we're just going to come into Sphinx pose. So when you come into Sphinx, really think about drawing your chest through your shoulders. You want a little bit more, push through your hands, extend long. Really good. Inhale deeply, and exhale, slowly release. All right, thanks so much for joining me today. If you feel like you need a little bit more, you can repeat that a couple rounds through or add on extra amounts so you can double the number of reps that you actually do. Otherwise, I will see you next week. Bye.